And everybody from Gasoline Alley Speed Shop. It's been a while since we've updated you all, so apologies for that. But hello everybody, Happy New Year. So, quick update. Where do we start? Because it has been busy. We've got to be watching on any Sunday on a Friday afternoon. That's confusing, but there you go. Softail. This is the first one we've built. Got a Bandit 1200 engine in it, and that will be again ready to road test once it stops raining, if we ever think that's going to happen. Tom's High Boost, the charging sorted out on that. Something to do with the sat nav wired in, so Jake's got to do a little bit of work on that. The CB750 is still waiting for parts, so that's going to be a little while before we do get onto that properly. The Vincent's all back up and ready for commissioning. Bit of wiring to do on it. But again, once road testing weather gets with us, we'll be able to get out on that. The gas one-sided swinging arm is waiting for machine shop time. So again, we're holding fire on that for a bit. Ken's WL's waiting for parts, but it's coming on. Looks good, he's happy with it. We're looking forward to getting that finished off sooner rather than later. Outlaw frame with 2007 fuel injected Kawasaki 1000 engine in it. I mean, only an American would want to do something like that, surely. So that, again, we've got the engine mounts are all there, the engine's bolted in position, done, and the TIG has got to wield his magic doing an airbox for that, but that will be a little while away. And to the Iron Banshee on the floor, almost there for road testing, but we've still got to get it running right to start with. But yeah, it's on the floor, and it's definitely looking a little bit different. Dello, how's it going with this? Are you happy with this?
Get my brain on fire.
So,
keeping me on my toes.
Dello's making a swinging arm so that we can fit, well, it's Dello, not the TIG at the moment, to fit into this Yamaha Dragster customer's bike, and he's having a 300 rear wheel in it. So he's fabricating the new swinging arm for that, which will just look monstrous, I would have thought. Look at this beauty. How do you think? Do you reckon this will run right? Just the carbs on this, but this is the look he wants. And we're going to be MOTing it on Tuesday, so we'll get a film of this going up the road. Hopefully, if it's running right. And finally, down to Nick's XS850, which we're redoing as a as a retro 70s TZ750, which is different. But Jake's done a complete job on the wiring with Motor Gadget stuff, axle joust wires. Yeah, he's done a nice tidy job on that. He'll be pleased with this, and the bodywork for that is all going off next week. So I reckon that's about it. Do you want to say anything to anybody? We are live.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Yeah, we like the sound of that. See you later.
To the pub. I was going to say that.